All right, I've said this before, but I'll say it again. I do not have favorite art pieces. However, I do deem some a little bit more special than others just based on where they fit into my journey. And they all have taught me something very special and very different. And Stella, in particular, this beautiful art piece, was actually the very first large landscape I ever created. And so she's very special. She came from a lot of inspiration from my husband and I taking trips in our van to Algonquin Park, mixed in with some imaginative flowers, as I love to do. And I'm so happy to report that she has found her forever home, and I am so excited to hand her over, as I know she will definitely be cared for and loved in her new place. Join me in saying a farewell to Stella, and I hope that her owners really love her as much as I've loved creating her.